everyone, welcome to Shell Sugar Rush. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I am putting together some infused strawberries for my niece that she requested for her 26th birthday. So I thought I'd show you all how I make those. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me put them together. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos like this in the future. So let's get into it. So for our color decor, I am going with white chocolate, and I did color some of that white chocolate with royal blue Chef Master candy color. So I'm just drizzling the strawberries as well. And you guys, I did not get a video dipping the strawberries, but if you do want to see how I dip my strawberries, you can check out my Valentine's strawberry bouquet video for that. So here I've just, dipped half of them in the white chocolate, half of them in the blue, and of course I've drizzled them all with the royal blue. And my blue butterflies that I made are set, so I'm going to pull those out now. And these can be a little tricky. If they're too thin, it's easy for them to break in half. And if they're too thick, then you just kind of get a mouthful of chocolate there when you bite into that. But I'm doing some white ones as well, and I'll attach the royal blue ones, of course, onto the white strawberries, and I'll attach the white ones onto the royal blue strawberries. And I did choose to dust my strawberries with some gold luster dust, just because it's for her birthday. I did want to give it a little pizzazz here. So I'm just finishing up with the gold luster dust here, and then I will start attaching the butterflies. So you can see here I'm just attaching the royal blue butterflies onto the white covered strawberries, and then I am actually going to go back and take that with that gold luster dust and just brush some luster dust onto the butterflies as well, since I've already done the strawberries, but the butterflies don't have any on there yet. So now that the butterflies are done and the white strawberries are ready, I'm going to go ahead and start with the infused part of it. And I'm just using the small cupcake liners, which is what I like to use for strawberries. So you can see here I'm actually using pipettes, and I just got these right off Amazon, and they usually come in this kind of cylinder shape, and I have some heart-shaped ones as well that I plan to use for Valentine's Day. But you can see here, you just put whatever alcohol you're going to be infusing with, you put it into the little cylinder, and you just do that by holding, squeezing it down and holding it in there and letting that alcohol soak up into that cylinder or into that pipette. So what I've done to put mine in, I like to stick a toothpick in the top side, and I stick it in, about halfway, and then just kind of move it around in a circular motion to make that hole just a tad bit bigger, so that when I go to slide that pipette in, it slides right in with no problem and, with ease. So now I am finishing up on the royal blue ones. My white butterflies are ready, so I am attaching those to the royal blue strawberries, and I am going to, again, give those some gold dust as well, and then get those ready for the pipettes, and then I'll have these ready to go. So our strawberries are done, and here I'm just going to package them up, and I'm just using a 10 by 10 pie box. I have 16 strawberries here, so they're going to fit perfectly without a lot of room to shift. So let me know what you guys think of these strawberries in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, And make sure if you haven't, hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.